Linda, also known as Panda, and last year I drew these 100 food ingredients, which I used to make 24 of these one-pager recipe cards. I love cooking, but I have a really hard time with traditional recipes. It's a big block of text that just goes in my eyes and poofs out of my brain, and as a comic artist, I've learned that I learn things best by drawing things down. So last year I started doodling the family recipes I was trying to learn, and I found that in drawing each ingredient out and then arranging them lovingly onto one page, this has really changed my relationship with cooking from something that used to spark anxiety to one that now sparks joy. Last year, I made an entire deck of my family recipe cards, illustrated on the front, traditional text on the back, and I have them all stacked in my kitchen for easy and beautiful access. This year, I'd love to do another print run of my Panda recipe cards and also expand into a 4-season drink recipe set as well. With your support, I'll be able to pay myself a living wage and create some deliciously functional food art for your kitchens and mine.